Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this handheld vacuum cleaner that I am wanting to show you guys. I am absolutely shocked about how compact this is. So let me tell you a little bit about it. This handheld vacuum cleaner is a Nicebay by Wall. It is a handheld vacuum cleaner, obviously. And it's very, very high power. I will show you how high power it is in just a minute. This is also cyclonic and ergonomic. It is amazing. And my favorite part about this is it is wireless. Look at that. It's very, very lightweight, but made out of really sturdy plastic. And let's check out this charger here. So all you do to charge it is just stick it on there, just like that. It's as easy as that, and then now it's charging. Now this vacuum cleaner does come with an extra filter, which I think is amazing. Usually they don't come with an extra filter at all. And it comes with 2 attachment heads. But this one flips up. It's a 2-in-1. So technically it comes with 3 attachments, which is awesome. So you got that one and you got this one. It also has this cute little compact stand here. So you just stick the attachment in the end here. Is your on and off button and your power button right here. You got 2 different modes. Now let's put this baby to the test. So what I did here is spill some coffee grinds, and I made them sparsely so we can see how well this picks up. Let's go on the low setting first. Picking it right up. No issues. Now let's go to the high setting. Wow. Let's try the other attachment. Okay, I put some more coffee down. Let's try the low setting. Look at that. This little vacuum cleaner is amazing. It is definitely high powered and high suction. I do recommend it. I will leave all the information linked in the description box below on where you can get this. It is very, very affordable and 10 out of 10 recommend.